Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. So after America carried out airstrike in Sokoto State, and it was reported that they hit targets of ISWAP, all these terrorists in the north, that they target because before they carry out that airstrike, they have surveyed around the place to know where they're going to drop the Ogbunigwe. So after their surveillance, they map out places they're going to carry out the airstrike without even letting anybody know. First thing for because they have been, I think this is 1 week now. Good, I think it should be 1 week right now, right? I forgot the date, but they carried out the airstrike, people started talking, okay, let's wait and see the outcome and all that. And once somebody made a post and said that expect people to lie to you that this airstrike, this American dropped this bomb on innocent people's houses and residential homes, that they targeted the America targeted the innocent people. Then he made this prediction. Then after, rumor now started surfacing that okay, this or that, they did not even buy anybody, that nobody, they did not unalive anybody. So they just carried out this airstrike for carrying out, for just to strike, for striking sake, as if America is Dundee, that they don't know what they are doing. So they started saying this kind of thing. Some of you, I don't know if you have watched, there's a video of Asante Dogobo saying that, mocking them, that they struck, in people's farmland, that nobody paid the price, nothing whatsoever. But they forgot that America, they're not targeting only the terrorists themselves, but also their equipment. So it happened that what people do is that they will those sites, some of these sites are their base, some are where they are manufacturing their bonigo, like what they're using, equipment they're using. Some of them are not even there, but they carried out this airstrike, and believe it or not, they captured a lot of people. Now, the Muslims, they're trying to play it like does nothing happen. So they are carrying the American trying to buy innocent people. They are targeted innocent people. So they said that the community where those people were dropped, that there's no record of insecurity there. Meaning that you shouldn't, to them, why must you come here when there's nothing going on here? But the truth is that, yes, we may not have insecurity there, but that's where they're planning and plotting how to commit crime elsewhere. So basically, the sophisticated weapon or machine they use to in manufacturing some of the things they're using elsewhere is there. That's number one. Another place. The other place, they have equipments there, and they also stay there, and the bomb by a lot of them. So after that first narrative that there's something happened, there's even Al Jazeera and some of these Arabic channels and podcasts, they were busy making mockery of America. Oh, you did not do anything. We told you that what they are coming for you, they are coming to destabilize the region, they are coming to for your natural resources, they are coming for all these things is a lie. Just because they want to use that to cut you off, cut your attention off, and push this narrative that there's no genocide going on, just relax. And you relaxing is the more you are delaying, the more they are conquering you. You get the point. So why am I presenting this one from Joseph Okechukwu to you? Is because this man here says something very, very interesting in my own understanding. And what he said will somehow shock you, because many people, somebody said this to me before, said that it could be possible. Then I was like, if that is the case, no problem, because that American government are planning to have military base in Southeast. Some said in Port Harcourt, some said anywhere at all. But guess what? Igbos are very happy that American we're gonna have their base in our soil. Personally, I love it. But wait for it. He said, if we consider longer range actions, it is very possible that we could see an American presence on the coast of Nigeria where the Christian communities is. it was called Biafra in the past. Not in the past, it's still in the present, my dear. The thing is that I love the fact that you are trying to play safe, but my happiness is that you know there's a word called Biafra. Anyway, that's the truth under them. I'm not gonna say much about it. The only thing I want you to know is that this is what they are nursing in their mind. Now, for better understanding, let's try our best and see if you can listen to the video itself, then we cannot make sense out of it.
On what the reaction would be.
Let me take it back from the beginning.
Absolutely, the mere fact that the president ordered these strikes in an area which has an organization called the Islamic State of West Africa Province. This is a new organization, or new to the public, versus on the east of Nigeria, you have Boko Haram. Practically speaking, all of the north of Nigeria is infested with the jihadists, but the persecution goes all the way down, probably to the coast. And the strike by the president are very important. It could be the beginning, it could be the end, depending on what the reaction will be. But if we consider a longer range action, it would be very possible that we could see an American presence on the coast of Nigeria, where most of the Christian community is. It was called Biafra in the past. So all of this is ahead of us. We will see how the president will decide.
Yeah, well, not afraid there be more now.
So I hope you understand that part. I hope you understand that part, right?
The mere fact that the Christian community is, it was called Biafra in the past. So all of this, so the Christian community is, it was called Biafra in the Nigeria, where most of the Christian community is, it was called Biafra in the past. So all of this.
So this is what they said, and that is what caught my attention. All right. So let's just wait and see how the whole thing will turn out to be, because America, because remember this airstrike, they launched it from the Guinea, okay, the sea there, okay, their base, they launched it from outside Nigerian soil. So that is, if you want that kind of close range, from Biafran land to north is highly possible. You get the point now. So that is what it's gonna be. And if they come, they will be the ones. So, this Fulanis are now bushes and all these things. The tendency of them packing their load is high. Why the Biafra movement keep on seeking for recognition? All right. So we're gonna move to other things. Hopefully, it's gonna work, perfectly. Hopefully, and we shall just keep watching and see. So I saw a post from Sonak Marawa and their group, showing police car, or what do they call it, this Hilux, being set ablaze in Enugu State. And I saw some Nigerian news platform reporting that IPUB, ESN, by 2 policemen and made away with their catapult. I saw some people sharing that. Then seeing this headline news, I was like, I don't know what's going on in Enugu State again. And I am not here to condemn or to support anything, because I actually don't know exactly what happened. Now, CS made a post talking about some things going on in Enugu State. And most of these things happen to be a kind of fake identity. People trying to fake identity of USB government or USB, military. I don't know who they are, but let's focus on what CS said. The only thing I want you to understand is that this issue of division, this person is here, the other one is doing saying the other thing, okay, and their group trying to, slow everything and just to become relevant by fire by force and all these things is not actually helping matter. All right, it's not good at all. But let me leave it there. It's not good. Just take it from me. It's not good at all. It's not good in the sense that they are trying to claim what they are not. They are trying to drag some things. I don't know what I want to prove. I don't know exactly what I actually want. But be it as it may, boys must now wax. What else are doing? Now listen, he said this is a live report on 29th of December 2025. This morning, I talked with governor of the state of Enugu in the United States of Biafra, USB, and he brought to my attention the tension caused by the continuous occupation of the sovereign state of USB by the Nigerian terrorist police and army. The USB has no unit or police team named Distress Response Squad, DRS. So people may claim form this kind of thing and use it, to commit crime and say they are USB. That's why this clarification is very important. It says these are Nigerian agents forcefully occupying our sovereign land and unleashing mayhem to quiet and peaceful communities of the state of Enugu. These agents brought in by the Nigerian President Tinubu delegitimize governors Peter Soludo, Alex Oti, Uzodinma, etc. Uforo, the one of Enugu State in Biafran territory, has one purpose: buying, maiming, colonize, and intimidate. By intimidate any Biafran and Islamize the Christians countries, that Christian communities, I believe, or countries, or Islam, because not only Nigeria, to just carry these Islamists to Christian countries. Biafran are Christians, exactly. Without that, we are Jew and Jews, of course, Jewish people, people that practice Judaism. Biafran are Christians and can never be part of any Islamic Nigerian state. Exactly. So if you're one of those that are growing your beards now and are wearing jump up and wearing something and carrying kettle with your mouth, or you are now tying your mother's wrap on your head, covering your neck and your this thing, it's your business. But my advice to you is be careful, because Igbo land is not where you will never use this kind of wish-wash religion to drag us to become like Kwara State, or the same mistake Yoruba have done. I don't know what is wrong with some of us. If you don't know that religion to practice, is not this one that is endangering our people, is what you are now bragging because you are an Igbo. And I don't know, I'm not threatening anybody, but I don't think any sensible community or society will allow in Igbo land to do that. I don't think it's possible, but may God have mercy on you. Islamic Nigerian security agents are not welcome in Biafran territory, and I call on Nigerian President Tinubu and Christopher Musa to withdraw all Nigerian security personnel from 40 states of Biafra. The USB government has increased the alert and surveillance level among the invasion national elite squad, okay, in the 40 states of Biafra to 4/5. This is to ensure the protection of the lives and properties of Biafran citizens during this holiday. During this holiday period and New Year 2026. The United States of Biafra exited Nigeria on November 29th, 2024, after a self-referendum where 50 million Biafrans voted to exit Nigeria. This wish of the people must be respected. People that wish to vote and live, you must respect it. Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, DPM, United States of Biafra. A very, very clear message. Very, very clear message. But some people don't want to. They still want me. Oh, why don't you just bring Woto and all that? That's time for everything. I don't think you understand that you cannot just. You have to follow the principle, and let's just give chance for peace to reign. And the US government know what they're doing. Hopefully, the recognition that everybody is waiting for will soon drop. And you see some of the land are not happening and everybody's not talking about them. Everybody's talking about them, and likely so. So who wouldn't want to be free? even though Islamic State, you know, that recognition from Israel exposed Nigeria because the act of, you know, anger, they're so much in a haste, and they expose themselves in name of condemning the recognition from the state of Israel to Somaliland. And I find out that some of the land is not actually a Christian country. I see some of them dressing like a Muslim, but maybe you don't know their own style of Islam. That's why some people, that's why I don't believe that Islam, I'm not saying that Islam is the problem, but the way we are practicing it and the tendency of you bringing even the dangerous one in is very, very bad. And that is why to avoid it, you have to avoid everything that concerns that. So that because you don't know who is who, you understand? Please let me know what you think about it. Make sure you like the video and put your comment. Let me know what you think. Take care of yourself. Bye bye for now. God bless you.